We take life for granted sometimes because we have 2 legs and 2 arms. We never realize, the next person, how they feel.
Ruben was hit on his motorcycle by an underage driver.
Out of the blue moon, I see this white car, and the only thing I remember out of the whole thing is looking to the side, her hair was down, and I just closed my eyes. That was it. I stood up. I went to step, and I fell.
He suffered catastrophic injuries, and when he got to the hospital, they had to amputate his leg.
When I met Ruben in the hospital, the insurance company had actually already called and offered him $100,000. And in his state of mind, he was smart enough to know not to accept it right then.
They knew he was hurt. They knew it was catastrophic. They knew it was a big case. And they offered him what I always refer to as a snatch settlement.
The insurance had offered me $100,000. They said, we give you $100,000 right now. That's a total disrespectful, approach by his insurance company, knowing that you just got out of surgery.
So in any motorcycle case, we have to examine where is this insurance coverage coming from. So of course, the first place we look is the liability policies. The next step is we go to the biker, the injured biker. In this case, we said, Ruben, do you have any UIM insurance? So the difficult conversation that we had to have is, Ruben, this liability coverage is it.
If I would have had underinsured motor vehicle insurance, I would have been able to cover most of my losses. It would have been better.
He is the most resilient person that I've ever met.
It's hard. It's hard. Don't get me wrong. It's hard. I cry in the shower at night.
He was very down at the beginning, and of course, because they were jerking him around. They didn't pay his policies immediately. We have to fight for the biker to get them the justice they deserve.
We got him to the finish line, we got him to a settlement, and then I get a text from him, and it's a picture of him on a motorcycle with his prosthetic leg, just so proud and so happy. And I just remember being like, is that your motorcycle, Ruben? And he's like, I'm back on the bike.
I have an '01 Harley Davidson Road King. They don't call it a Road King for nothing.
To see him back on a bike is just almost unbelievable, but it's incredible.
If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have been able to have a bike, take care of my family, get back to the things I like doing, get my life back in track. That I do believe in my heart.